Yo, what's up, everybody? I forgot to get into the intro world. Let's go. This is going great for the recording. Today I've been very busy. Okay. We're doing Ryan 3000 again. Woohoo! This is so fun. I love it. So, let me explain the rules and then we'll get right into the world. Rule number 1. One Minecraft day every day for a year. In other words, I almost missed today, but I didn't. So, yeah, I got today. I can't miss a day. Oh, I forgot I changed my keybinds. Rule number 2, no editing allowed. Why I'm using signs instead of closed captions to explain this is so I don't edit. And why you see OBS in the beginning. Okay, that one's far away. Rule number 3, not really a rule, just a challenge. 1 sub equals 1 chicken, which is super fun. I can't wait to get into the world. Let's do it. I have been waiting. Oh, nope, this is Test 3000. Or whatever. I don't know. Test Creative. Okay, World 3000. I've been waiting to make this video all day. And of course, it's nighttime. Oh, again. It's always nighttime when we get back. But I've been AFKing quite a bit today. By quite a bit, I mean not very much, but there's so many chickens, bro. We'll get seeds and try and lead them into the farm. Okay. So much iron that we can't even process it. Yay! Okay, let's kill this spider. Yeesh, my aim's so bad. Getting new keybinds is rough. Look at all these guys. They're just lowering the spawn rate, I think. What? Did the... Oh, come on. How do I forget a hopper, bro? It was one singular hopper that made this entire thing not work all night. I was wondering why the spawn rate wasn't going up at all. Hold on, I need to turn on. So, to say I forgot the clock is a little bit different. We're gonna start it while I change this real fast. Where is it? Normal, music, sounds, controls, chat settings. Give me a second. Resource packs. Nope. Music and sounds. Finally found it. Why did that take me? I think I literally said it. Okay. So we're just going to stand here for a second. Oh, and that beautiful here. You know what? We're going to stand here up here so you can see what's happening. Eggs are getting thrown. This is making me so happy. Nope. I think I'm putting some eggs. Just throw those in there. Yes, this is what I wanted. This is perfect. Don't forget that hopper and you're all good. Dude, this is amazing. So I wonder... Okay, see, it's shooting as fast as it gets it. I think we waited long enough. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab some eggs, because we can, you know. Throw these up in here, and then where's the hopper at? Can we reach the hopper from above? Yes, we can. Now it's just constantly flying. Let's go ahead and throw those in there. We need a water bucket. Well, I think I forgot to fill it. Okay. Put you in here. Actually, we'll keep some building blocks. I want those. Get you. Now what we may have to do is, don't look at my screen at all. Don't look at the thing, yeah. Okay, you didn't see anything. I can just throw eggs this fast. There's no special skills or anything. It's all pure skill. You're not seeing this. It's definitely not an auto clicker. Honestly, how many chickens do we have now? 890? Or, I don't know how many chickens are right here. I think if we, like, dig down right here, look directly at them, change our FOV, done, this. I don't know. It's only a few hundred. Once we get into the thousands and thousands that we're going to need for the chickens, it won't really matter. But got 16 minutes left. Just keep the eggs. Now that we have this built, we can do whatever we want. You know what I mean? Oh, we must be running out of eggs now. Nope, not even close. Oh, nope, give me the bread back. Okay. Is this going fast enough? Oh, I see the issue. Okay. Well, how many eggs have you given me? 2 stacks. I'll take it. Okay. Another egg. All these guys. Do we have any seeds in our chest? Oh, not very many, you know. Just a few. Get all these guys out. You didn't see what we did last episode to get rid of chickens. Instead, we're actually going to keep them. I sided against what I was doing. No longer killing chickens, but keeping chickens. What's this guy start? Hello? I'm picking up all the eggs. It's okay. We need to do this. No chicken left behind. I almost fell in there. That would have been really bad. There's no way of getting out. Or I guess the vines are fully grown now. The thing is, chickens can't climb up vines. If you haven't seen my video on how I make this machine, make sure to go check that out. I spent way too long making it. And make sure to send it to Ryan Trahan so he might use it one day. I don't know. We'll see. I need to watch his video today. Like I said, I've been really busy. Been crushing cans. Right now it's like 50 cents a pound as of the day I'm recording this. Okay, it's just gonna be there. Go ahead and throw the eggs in here. Throw the rest in there. I'm pretty sure we have more. we'll go ahead and put the hopper back. We might end up using these seeds if we find more chickens. But as of now, we can do whatever we want. The world's open. Infinite opportunities. Because we don't need any more contraptions other than this one. We can breed them too. Yeah. Give me a lot of XP. If I could actually click on them. It's got an RT for me. Got 8 eggs, roughly. Now we have so much iron, I don't know what to do with it. Got another egg. Go hold the seeds over here by these guys. So today, I really just want to get this video done. That way tomorrow, maybe we can actually focus on stuff. There's chickens up on that hill too. Okay. We have how many chickens? Let's see here. Over 1,000. Okay. We're just going to keep this chicken here forever because I think it's awesome. We just have a single chicken. Oh! This is one we're going to name. What was that guy wanting us naming? We'll name him tomorrow. We'll put a sign there. Name him. Should we try to beat the game? You guys didn't see that? So, like, I don't know what that was in there. Okay, so now we hit over 1,000, which is awesome. Now we can start on a villager trading hall. That's what I do. I'm gonna go sleep first, but then we can build a villager trading hall. Or we're gonna get wood today from our beautiful tree farm I started. Placed a bunch of saplings yesterday. Now we just get to chill out. For the past while I've been like stressing out over getting the chicken farm finished. Now we just get to chill. How many days are left in the year? I don't know. Should I make some PvP videos like playing with my friends? Not that I'm amazing at PvP, but like I'm okay. Just got new keybinds, so it's gonna be a while till I get used to it. But I used to want to be a really good crystal PvPer. Now I just want to be a good regular PvPer. But I don't know. Lots of wood. That's what we want. Is wood. Getting a lot. So, the best fuel is just regular planks, isn't it? Like, just in general, because easy to get. We could make a massive kelp farm way down the road, but I don't want to do that, really. I like kind of just playing and getting stuff. Hey, there's an apple on the tree. Lots of saplings. We might get a gold farm. I might actually build that because it's not something that's like, oh, this is easy to get without it. Gold is actually kind of hard to get. Got 4 apples. We'll be able to make golden apples in the future. I could make an iron hoe, that way I could break leaves faster. Hey, there's chicken. We'll grab those. Okay, we need to place these back down. Or actually, I wanted to put them all next to one another. That way we can break them faster. Like, this time it took a second, you know. But if we put them all in one straight line, then that's awesome. So we're just going to say we have 1,000 chickens. Or something like that. I know it's, like, it's not that many, but it's also not, like, ton less or something like that. I know we have quite a few. But, I don't know. Now we have a good AFK-able farm. I'm going to go make an iron hoe and place these. You can still hear that zombie down there. I'm so glad we got that iron farm done. Oh, we have sticks on us already. We just need the iron. I don't see why we don't just carry tons of iron on us 24/7. We got the iron hoe. Be able to break leaves a little faster. Should we try and beat the game? Like, I kind of want to slow down and do it slow. Like, I don't want to instantly beat the game and stuff. I also need to get a chunk loader built over here. That way the farm infinitely goes, no matter where we are in the world. Which I'm pretty sure Ender Pearls load chunks 24/7, right? Or am I wrong? Look at that. That is awesome. Look at all of the babies. I like see them and then their parents. Why is Rose just sitting up here? Can we, like... Did it. Nope, this guy's just awesome. He's my new favorite chicken. We're going to call him Bob. That one's that one dude in the comments. This is Bob. Or Jeffrey. I don't know. I like Bob. Bob. Yes, his name's Bob. Hold the seeds out. We got our chicken here. We totally don't have like 1,000 over here, you know. You're not going in there with them, you know. I would never do something like that. Not to you. Yeah, you see this smart chicken right here? His name's Bob. We got Bob the chicken, and then we got, man, I really gotta get that guy's name from the comments. It's okay, tomorrow we're putting a sign there that says, my name's Bob. So we'll put a sign here and say, my name's Bob, and then this guy's name we'll put like right here maybe. I don't know. Yep, we don't have a chest underneath him. We don't have any dirt on us. Egg. Oh, let's go. Double chickens. I feel like that was more than one chicken and one egg. Isn't like 4 the rarest? I feel like I've seen it before. I'm so glad we get to slow down. This is fun. We got 3 minutes. Should we go ahead and get the villagers? Yeah, before they all die. Or they probably all have already died, honestly. We might have to use the ones in the zombie farm. Or the iron golem farm. Because we're not going to use that many. Hi chickens. Why is there so many of you? Oh my. I knew I let some out. These guys all spawn naturally, you see? Totally wasn't from me using an auto clicker. Hey, bud. Okay, there we go. Hey, other dude, come over. Okay, we got tons of chickens. Let's go down to the farm slowly. Slowly do we get all of the chickens in. This is how we have to do it. They fall so slow. Got 1 minute and 50 seconds to get all these guys in there. Tomorrow will be exciting. We'll get villagers and start on the trading hall. Today was kind of boring, you know. It was like 20 minutes of boringness. But tomorrow it'll be interesting. You'll see. So once we get enough of these, it'll stop mobs from spawning, right? Oh, that's scary. Chicken almost pushed me in there. Bob just stays there. He doesn't move. We just get tons of chickens and Bob just stands there. Bruh. Coat water bucket. But, you know, we're not that good. This is such a good farm. I'm so proud of it. So when I was pressing F3, like I would check in every once in a while when I was AFKing. Oh, that's it. I'll have to tell you tomorrow. Bye!